My name is Randy Hoskins. I'm the welding instructor for the NPC Welding Program here at the White Mountain campus. We have a new welding shop out here. We can accommodate 20 welders in the morning and 20 welders in the afternoon. In this program, we're going to teach you all the different welding processes, how to use them. We're going to teach you safety. We're going to teach you welding symbols, and we're going to try to educate you with a work ethic that allow you to go out and get a job. We work with industry partners that they'll be here next week at our graduation offering them jobs. You're looking at employment opportunities of probably a couple $1,000s a week. When you finish this program, you develop your skill set, you develop that work ethic, you develop that coachable attitude, you're ready to roll. So one of the things that we really emphasize is finishing up your associate's degree. That associate's degree is going to give you a leg forward in the different unions, or if you want to become a foreman or a CWI. It's 5 additional academic classes. NAVIT will pay for it. You really need to plan on learning what you can from the core welding program and then take those 5 classes. It'll be 2 Englishes, 1 math, 1 science, and then a general studies of your choice. Again, very easy to do if you'll take 1 class a semester and invest in your future. It's a great way to go.
Hi, my name is David Ordonez. I'm a second year in the NAVIT Welding Program, and I go to Snowflake High School as a senior. The reason I got into welding was because I think it's a good skill to have and a good field to go into, and there's a lot of money in it. The favorite part about the class is probably making stuff, having projects to do. It's always fun and it's creative, and Skills USA is a good part to get practice and just an environment to be in and to challenge yourself. If you're a sophomore in high school and you want to become a welder, I encourage you to do so because I think it's an awesome opportunity that NAVIT's offering as well as in your high school, and it'll give you a lot of credits. Shout out to Hoskins and all the lab aides as well as NPC NAVIT for giving me this opportunity to do the NAVIT Welding Program.
My name's Owen Roten. I'm from Snowflake High School, and right now I'm a second year at NAVIT in Minnesota. I actually wanted to do it at first, but my parents told me that it's the way to make money, so I figured I'd give it a shot and do the best I could, and I ended up really liking welding. It's a great classroom, well-funded. I like my teacher, Mr. Hoskins, and I ended up having more fun laying metal down than I would have any other place in high school. This year, I took gold at Skills USA for the individual welding competition. My favorite part of the class is getting to build projects and fix things that are broken. I'd like to thank NAVIT and NPC for letting me get this scholarship to go to welding, and I'd like to thank Mr. Hoskins for teaching me.
My favorite part about teaching the class is actually working with the young women and men in this class, actually changing their life, helping them fulfill their dreams and go out and get a living wage.